Hello everyone, welcome back to Rebikit Foods, a channel of easy recipes, simple recipes, quick recipes, African traditional foods and modern. So guys, thank you so much. If at all you're coming to this channel for the first time, this is Rebikit Foods channel, which deals with such kind of recipes. It also deals with travel and events. So kindly view my videos, like, share, and subscribe. And remember the notification bell as well. And remember to browse the membership pack of this channel so that you can join the family. So guys, I'm back again with this jam. Remember the last time I made some red jam, strawberry red jam. So today I'm going to make some tangerine orange jam due to request from several fans. So thank you so much. Watch this video until the end. So let's get. So guys, the ingredients I'm going to use here, I have at least some 3 tangerine oranges, and I have some lemon here. I have salt and I have sugar. So first I'll start by washing this tangerine. The reason why we have to wash it, because we are going to use the outer part of it to make this jam. And guys, you never trust people's hands and wherever they are taken to. So for that reason, we are going to use salt to wash them. So it is very important when you're making this, use salt so that it can kill all the germs which could be there. So keep tuned. I will take some salt. I will rub salt on them. So this is after now I have washed. So make sure you rub it with salt all over. Make sure you rub. So after this guys, now you will have to rinse them. Okay, so they are now clean, and now what we are going to do, we are going to create so that we can get the zest out of it. So this is what we are going to do. We'll take out the zest. So this kind of jam is very tasty, and I guess that's why many people have requested for this recipe. So please watch this video until the end. And when you are buying it, kindly don't buy the ripe ones. Overripe, so you see the disadvantage of a ripe one. Now I can't be able to get the zest. So it's good to get don't get old ones like this. So I'll continue the same. Ensure all the membranes are out. So guys, remember we are making tangerine orange jam. mix it up. Everything, the zest plus the lemon itself. So keep tuned, guys. Add in this lemon. Remember, the work of this lemon is first of all, it gives a taste. Secondly, it is used as a preservative. You can keep, even though it's a homemade jam, you can keep it as long as you can without going bad. So that's there. You're going to add sugar. You also add 2 cups of sugar. This one. And add sugar. So keep tuned. You stir until everything mixes well. Then now you can bring it into a boil. So keep tuned. Change everything in here. Boil. So keep stirring. You have to stir throughout until everything dissolves. Keep tuned. You can now see the consistency. You can see it's started getting thicker, so you will just let it boil, cook until everything comes in together. So keep tuned. So guys, you can see my tangerine jam. It is now coming up well. It is almost done. So it's almost done, but we'll still let it boil. My jam is done, and you can see my tangerine jam is done. And so I'm just going to take it out. So just to try it out, you can see, try it out. Yes, you can see. So nice. So nice, guys. So thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. Please give it a like and don't go for tangerine orange jam at the supermarket. Please make one at home. Thank you so much. Give my video a thumbs up, share as much as possible. Thank you. Let's meet on another video.